Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing, and today's video we'll talk about the affiliate program of Best Buy. So let me take you to the website, which is bestbuy.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Best Buy is the online store for the latest electronics, gadgets, and home appliances from top brands. Their website offers exclusive deals, detailed product information, and expert recommendations to help customers make smart tech purchases. With convenient delivery, easy returns, and reliable customer support, Best Buy makes online tech shopping simple and trusted. So what you're waiting for? Come to the website, explore all these amazing products, and if you like something for yourself or your family, why don't you go ahead and buy it? But that's not why we are here. We are here to earn money from Best Buy. Possible? Why not? Simply join their affiliate program, start promoting them to your audience, to your traffic, and when you bring sales to them, you will end up getting commission. So affiliates from which country can join their affiliate program? No restrictions found. So regardless of your country as an affiliate, you can apply to be part of their affiliate program. To the consumers of which country can you promote them in order to receive commission? Well, there is a restriction there. You would only be able to get commission if you are bringing sales to them from the consumers of United States of America and Canada. So only these two countries. So let's learn more about their affiliate program. For that, let me take you to the website called sovan.com. So what is Sovan, or rather what is Sovan Commerce? Sovan Commerce is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between brands and affiliates. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of different brands out there, you have to join the respective affiliate marketing network. In our case, if you want to join the affiliate program of Best Buy, then you must create an affiliate account with Sovan Commerce. Now, how do you get an account with them? You can come to the website, click on sign up, and that will take you to this page. Complete the registration and you would be able to get yourself an affiliate account with Someone Commerce, or rather Someone. Now, I understand that many nuances involved when you're creating an affiliate account with any affiliate network out there, so don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create and use Someone Commerce affiliate account. You'll find the link in the video description. Simply click on the link, follow the instruction from the video, and get yourself a free affiliate account of Someone Commerce. Once you have an account with them, you can come to the website once again. This time, hover over sign in and click on commerce. It will take you to this page, enter your credential, and then it will take you to something called affiliate dashboard. Now, this is a place where you would be able to interact with different brands out there. I mean, their affiliate program, not just Best Buy, but the focus of our video is only Best Buy. So how do you find the affiliate program? For that, you can click on commerce and you can click on merchants. It will take you to this page. Over here, you can click on merchants. And then within the search bar, you can type in Best Buy followed by an enter from your keyboard. And it will show up some items including Best Buy. So you can click on their name, the hyperlink, and you would be able to see more details about the affiliate program. Unlike other affiliate network, you don't have to apply to the affiliate program of different brands available in Someone Commerce. So let me give you more context. If you join any other affiliate network, you must be applying to the affiliate program of different brands for them to individually review and approve you. But the beauty of Someone Commerce is once you have been approved by Someone Commerce in their network, that means once you have an affiliate account with them, you no longer have to apply for the affiliate program of any other brand that is available in the network. Same goes for the Best Buy. So once you see it here, you can click on all countries and you would be able to see Canada and United States. So as I was saying, you would only be able to get commission if you bring consumers sales from these countries. Then if you scroll down, you'll see commission rate. So you'll get anywhere between 0.5% to 1% as the commission on the sale amount. And as you can see, average order value is $256. And electronic items are usually costly. So that's why even with 1% commission, you would still earn a good amount. And if you scroll down with the network rates, you would be able to see how much percentage for which category of the product or item. And if you scroll down within domains, you would be able to see different domain and you could create tracking link for any of these domain. I mean, the website or the URL, you would still be able to get commission. And if you click on countries, it will be the same countries we looked about. And if you click on description, you'll see a bit description and terms and condition you must read and ensure you abide by it. Now, let's say you are happy about the affiliate program and you wanna start promoting them. You can't just promote them by taking any link from their website. You have to use tracking link. Now, how do you get or create your tracking link? For that, you can use this option. So let me give you a demonstration here. Let's say this is a product that I want to promote, which is of $279.99. So I'll copy this URL from here, and then I'll come here, I'll click on create a link, and the link that I have copied, I can paste the link in here. Assuming if you have created your Someone Commerce account with multiple website or social media or any page out there, you might be able to select your site from here. So for myself, I have selected my YouTube channel. Same way you can select your site and enter the product URL. Give it a name. I'm just gonna call it product number one test. You can give an actual name for your reference, and then you can also explore tracking advanced settings if you want to go with it. But to keep it simple, just put in the URL, select your site, and give it a name, and simply click on create. What it will do, it will create a tracking link for you. So I'm going to paste it in here. See, this is a tracking link for that product that we just tried creating tracking link for. And if you share this link, or if you integrate this link on your website or your blog, and if someone would click on it, it will redirect them to that specific product page that we were looking at. You see, so this is how tracking links would work. So once you have taken your tracking link, you can start integrating or start sharing with your audience, with your traffic. Now, all the tracking links that you have created like this, you would be able to see them here. If you click on create, and within links, you would be able to see all those links. All right, so you learn how to find the affiliate program of Best Buy and how to create tracking link. The next question arises, where can you promote them? There are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. One way is website. Now, it doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, so long as you have been approved by Someone Commerce, you can start promoting them anywhere on your website, maybe homepage, maybe category page, or a event page, wherever you feel like is more suited for your audience, for your traffic, start promoting them there. Then comes the blog. Now, I feel like blog could be great here because there are thousands and thousands of products available on Best Buy. You might want to create different blog posts about different amazing products available in Best Buy and integrate your tracking link somewhere within that blog post. So this way, when people would read your blog post, if they like it, they'll click on the link and you end up getting commission if they buy the product. Third way is social media. Now, social media could be great here because it gives you venue to create a number of content, different type of content. You could create shorts, reels, videos, posts, and talk about any product and share your tracking link. So this way, as usual, people will love it, they'll like it, they'll click on the link to buy it, you get the commission. Fourth way, which I feel like is more suited here, is a shopping website. Now, let's say as an affiliate, you got a shopping website. You might want to list the products available in Best Buy on your shopping website. Just ensure you integrate the links properly so people are actually clicking on the tracking link for Someone Commerce to track your performance and hence disperse the commission to you for all the commission that has been accumulated. So these are some of the ways you can promote them. Let's say you started bringing sales to them. Where would you see your performance? For that, you can come to the affiliate dashboard of Someone Commerce once again. Once here, you can click on Overview within Analytics, use different filter from here, and you would be able to see your revenue, clicks, sales, conversion rate, earning per click, click-through rate, and page views. And if you want to see your revenue more in detail, you can click on revenue, and over here, same as before, apply filters, and you would be able to see more. If you scroll down, you would be able to see the sell per different brands available. So this is how you can keep track of your revenue and or performance. And all the revenue that you see here, you can expect Someone Commerce to issue this commission to you. And how would you receive it? By updating your payment method. And to update your payment method, you can scroll down, you can look at the bottom left hand side, click on this icon, and from here, click on payment. It will take you to the payment settings page. Once here, you can update the details in the address tab and then click on next. Then it will take you to the payment method. Over here, you will have the option to select local bank transfer. If you do, you can update your banking details. You also have an option for wire transfer. In that case, also update your banking details. Then you got check. If you're selecting check, you have to ensure you are giving the name and the address properly. PayPal is a more convenient one, so you can select PayPal. Just give your PayPal email address and it should work. Then you also have hold my payment. Now, if you don't want Someone Commerce to issue commission to you, simply just select hold my payment and they will hold it until you change it back to any of the payment method. Once you've selected and updated the payment method related details, simply click on next. It will take you to the text form selection. Complete all the details in the text form tab as well, and then click on next and complete the setup. Once you have completed the setup, you can expect to receive commission from Someone Commerce. So this is how you find the affiliate program of Best Buy. You start creating tracking links, start promoting them, and start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Best Buy. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.